All of our staff, we have certified in the various softwares that they're using. So Sage Intacct certifications, QuickBooks, Xero, all staff are certified and they keep those up regularly. And then we also believe in continuous improvement. So with our continuous improvement, we have internal team workshops where our senior manager will lead the client team, the assistant controller and the controller, and they'll review the financials for quality, look for any third-party apps we could integrate for an efficiency improvement. And we're also looking at our clients' goals and detailed scope of work, and is that still valid? We also host monthly training sessions. So each month we have a different topic for the outsourced accounting team, and we will have one of the specialists on the CAS team lead those topics, whether it's Sage Intacct reporting, advanced Excel, just various topics for the team.